How do you make your model railroad look bigger than it really is? One of the most effective ways is to create the illusion of the background extending further than it really does. And the easiest way to do this is the clever technique of positioning thin buildings against a backdrop. They're called low-relief buildings and typically show only the front and part of a roof and two side walls. So instead of using up valuable track space with buildings that are 6 or 8 inches deep, you can make these buildings just 1 or 2 inches deep. That'll save you loads of space and still give the illusion they're full-sized buildings extending into the horizon. Make them to HO, OO or N scale and place them in front of your sky or tree-lined backdrop. Then position more scenery, greenery or track in front, and you've got the impression the scene extends much further than it actually does. This clever technique is used by many very experienced model railroaders to make their layout appear bigger than it really is. It is also a great space saver because it gives you more space for extra track or other scenery features. It's a shame to cut up expensive plastic kits when you can download and construct these designs yourself and save some money. You can make these buildings as strong as you want by gluing the designs onto card, foam board, core flute or even plywood if you want. It's over to you. And you won't need to buy paints or do any airbrushing because that's already been done for you. The buildings on this website are photorealistic in quality and already include fine details like curtains in the windows, rusty pipes, flaking paintwork, mould on concrete, cracks in brickwork, even down to items on display in store windows. When you look closely at the detailing on these scale model buildings, you'd think they were real. Best of all, there's a great range to choose from, and they're easy to download, print and build.